What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to make any microphone you own sound professional. How to make your audio have that podcast radio level vibe. This will be a very short tutorial because it's pretty easy and it's only a 4-step process. Now, the first thing you want to do is to download a free tool called Audacity. Search for Audacity on your browser, go to the website, click downloads, then you download and install the app from there. So right here, I've already recorded a clip for this tutorial, but if you record your voiceover with a different app, all you have to do is take any audio you want to edit, drag and drop it here. Or you can also go to File, Import, and select the audio you want to edit. Also, if the audio comes with your recorded video, you want to extract the audio from that video and then import it into Audacity. I will duplicate this clip so we can hear the before and after. Now, the first step is to remove the background noise. I normally pause for about 5 to 10 seconds to grab a portion of the background noise before I start recording. So let me play this. You can hear the background noise. So to remove the background noise, highlight any area where you are not talking and click on Effects, Noise Remover and Repair, and then Noise Reduction. So you click on Get Noise Profile. So what that did is take this portion as the noise to remove in the whole clip. Now highlight the entire clip again, Effects, Noise Remover and Repair, Noise Reduction. Now click on OK. So when you play the audio again, now the background noise has been removed. Now the next thing I normally do is to add some equalizer settings. This will give it that podcast and radio level sound. I like the whole clip. Go to Effects, Equalizer and Filter, then Filter Curve EQ. Go to Preset and Settings, Factory Presets, and then click on Treble Boost. We will do that again. Effects, EQ and Filter, Filter Curve EQ, Preset and Settings, Factory Presets. This time click on Bass Boost. I like repeating the bass boost because I'm a guy, so I want the bass higher than the treble. So after adding our equalizer settings, you can see that there's a little bit of clipping after we added some EQ and the audio is too loud. So what I normally do next is to work on the volume. So go to Effects, Volume and Compression, and then Loudness Normalization. I'll just go with -15, then click on OK. So this will reduce the volume. You should only do this if you feel that the audio levels are too high. Lastly, we will compress the audio. This will ensure that the part where you talk too loud will be reduced and the part where you talk too low will be raised so that the audio will be at the same level. So go to Effect, Volume and Compression, and Limiter. Make sure Add Limit is selected. Click on Apply. You can see that the audio levels are now consistent. This is like the limit of the audio and the lowest point in the sound has been raised to this limit. So here is how the audio sound before. Here is an audio sample. Right now I'm talking normally and this is after. Here is an audio sample. Right now I'm talking normally. Right now I'm speaking as That's a
slow
lot
as
better.
possible.
You might not hear that much difference if you listen with a phone, but you'll be able to tell a lot of difference if you listen to the audio with an headphone or a speaker. So to export your audio, go to File, Export Audio, Export to Computer, and you can choose where you want your audio exported to. You can choose the kind of file you want. I prefer .wav. You can also use MP3, whichever you prefer, and you can leave the rest as it is. Click on Export and your audio will be exported to the selected location. I made a video on how to improve your audio with just one click using AI. So you can watch that video as well. So if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, and I also appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up. So that's it for this video. My name is Victor Smith and I'll see you guys in the next one.